me great pleasure to introduce to you the carvers of the 2012 Chetwynd International Carving Championship, Return of the Champions. So we're going to start with Chris Foltz. He's from Oregon, USA. Thomas Verba from Slovakia. We have Ken Packey, Otis, Massachusetts. Paul Furnett from Kitchener, Ontario. Simon O'Rourke from North Wales. Jeff Sandowski from Gig Harbor, Washington. Stephen Higgins, Missouri, USA. John Rogers, Prince George, BC. Elmer Gunderson, Prince George, BC. Ken Braun, Jr. from Colorado. Karina from Japan.
year we're here for today and the weekend. It's phenomenal.
First of all, I would tell them, come and see a piece of wood turn into a magnificent piece of art. And secondly, I'd say the people here are really so friendly and it's really fun, even in the pouring rain.
This wheel down here, I'm really curious what's going to happen with this thing. You know, he's got it so that it turns and it's all intricate and
there's motion involved.
Oh yeah, there certainly is. He's got something in mind there.
People are really surprised because where they're at today is usually where they're at on the last day. So that's the difference between world-class carvers and other events, because these guys are fast and they want to get to where they're at today to work on the finishing.
competition, and us carvers are just waiting on the final judgment of our carvings to see who takes the prizes. The title of the piece is Miso's Journey, and it's basically a pixie riding a rhino beetle, and it was out of a cartoon my daughter watches, and she said you should do this carving, so this is what I did. Chetwynd event is within the top 2 in the world. There's a German event and this event, and I'd say they're both the premium events of any event out there. It's incredible artwork, and they treat the carvers really good and have great wood, so it's a real pleasure to come out here. It's a fantastic event.
It calls Cockfight, and it's about violence and ignorance in our world. It's supposed to draw the viewer to see the beautiful carving, the lines, the feathers, the composition, and then make him realize what they're looking at. They're looking at 2 creatures killing each other. And it's about our society where people watch TV, wars, violence, and then go in the kitchen, eat a burger like nothing happened. And it's supposed to be about it. Seeing something like that, it's a beauty, but realizing what they're looking at.
The title is Fiddlesticks. It's a piece showing the correlation between the fiddler crab and the sea urchin. And the cool part, the thing I like about it is the story is that depending on which one's bigger, they're predator and prey. So they both eat each other just depending on which one's bigger. So, and it gave the opportunity for a really cool design for the work.
And so this year the Minister's Award, for the first time ever, for the wood carving that's taking place here in Chetwynd, will be going to carver Karita.
Well, I was allowed to choose what they call the Minister's Award, the Minister's Favorite, and I did choose the one by carver. His name is Karita. The piece that he carved to me spoke about British Columbia. It's got eagles, bear cub, salmon, what people know us for. And to me, it spoke to me immediately. And as much as each of the pieces have very high artistic content and technical expertise, that was the piece that I ultimately chose.
And I would like to call up number 6, Thomas Verba, winner of the Carver's Choice Award today. All the carvers get to vote on their favorite piece, and they overall decided it was Thomas. To number 11, Ken Braun Jr., Colorado. This is the result of everybody's votes for Saturday and Sunday. Ken won overall, so he wins $1,000. I would like to call up today the winner of the $2,000 third place award, number 10, Jeff Sandowski. The second place award for $3,000, and I would like to call up number 6, Thomas Verba. So Walter Energy Western Coal is first place sponsor this year for $5,000. And I'd like to call up number 7, Chris Foltz. Congratulations, Chris.